So welcome to our cooking show. So today we are going to cook aloo matar.
Hi everyone, I'm Vara's mom. So today we are going to make a special vegetable aloo matar. Now why I'm calling it as a special, because we have a Ganesh festival in our house, and during Ganesh festival we can't eat garlic, onion, tomato, because we have to show it as a bhog to our Bappa.
So here we have our three ingredients. We of course need a potato. We have boiled it already, and peas and
Coriander for garnishing, and also
here we have some spices.
okay, so I will now tell you how to cook this particular thing. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to cut a potato into small pieces. Okay, so let's do this first.
If you like this recipe, then follow along with us.
Okay, so now I have cut it down.
She's like mashing and crushing it.
So now I have cut down the boiled potato into small pieces. Okay, now what I will do, I will put kadai on the gas. We'll cook everything onto the low flame. The reason being, when we cook onto the low flame, the taste of that vegetable comes very nice. So always make sure at least the vegetables you can cook it onto the low flame for good result of a taste. Okay. Now what I will do? Okay.
So here we have the gas. Here's the chimney.
First I will add
Oil.
some oil to pan. Okay, let oil turn a little bit hot. Okay, so I've added oil now. Now, what I will do, I will first add mustard seeds.
We're turning it up a little bit.
Not required. What all the mustard seeds needs to be cracked very nicely. See, you will hear that sound now. Okay. Once mustard seeds started crackling, I am adding some cumin seeds, which is jeera. Okay. After that, I will add some hing, because hing is very good for digestion.
See, it is yellow. You can see that it's white through the phone screen.
Okay, now once this is done, I will add little bit turmeric. Now once turmeric is added, I need to add potatoes. Okay, what trick I will do, I will first add little bit potatoes only. The reason being, I need to mash them very nicely to make a thick gravy. And after this, I will add little bit chili powder to it. Okay. Now what I will do one thing. Take an onion,
You got to just try to mix it very nice so it looks sort of like this. So the potatoes start to turn yellow.
Yes. Now I will add
Peas, green peas,
yes.
which means
After this, I will mix it very well.
if you are liking our recipe, like and subscribe the video and comment down below what you think of it.
Now you can see the color of it has turned very nice. Okay. What I will do now to taste it better, I will add some garam masala powder to it. Okay. And most important thing, without which your sabzi cannot be delicious.
Without salt.
Yes. It will be tasteless without salt. Okay.
Just like rice.
What I will do, I will pour a little bit water to it.
Sugar. This much water you have to pour in a glass.
Not all the things, it is based on how much you require. Just pour little bit water. Okay, just half glass water is required. Once this is done, it's almost ready. What you just need to do, you need to cover this vegetable. You need to put a gas onto the low flame and cover this with a lid. Okay, give it some 5 minutes so that it is cooked very nicely.
So we will catch you guys up when it's done. So guys, it is done.
Okay, we are back almost after 5 to 7 minutes, and you can see the consistency is really nice. Okay, see, all the water has evaporated. The peas and even potatoes are nicely cooked. You can see it. See, it is getting mashed properly. Okay, and even it is looking very delicious and yummy. Okay, now what I will do for the garnishing purpose, I will put some coriander to it. Okay, so this is the way. I will add some coriander
And then we will mix it.
and vegetable.
Let an adult do this, guys.
Yeah.
Don't do it by yourself.
And
Don't do this.
I am turning off the gas. The vegetable is nice
And cook.
and ready to eat.
Yes.
Okay, so thanks guys for watching.
So thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.